Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best window insulation kit is probably one of the most cost-effective ways to winterize your home. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of outdoor window insulation kits, exploring how they work, and why they're a game-changer for energy efficiency. We'll cover everything from the materials used to the installation process, helping you make an informed decision to keep your home warm and your energy bills low. Number 5. Duck Brand 10 Window Shrink Film Insulator Kit. Are you tired of high energy bills? This kit is designed to help you save money. It insulates your windows, keeping the cold air out. The film is crystal clear, so it won't obstruct your view. It heat shrinks to create a tight seal, blocking drafts and keeping your home warm. The kit includes a large roll of crystal clear film. It also comes with double-sided tape for easy application. This product helps to increase your home's energy efficiency. It's a smart and earth-friendly way to save money and reduce your carbon footprint. This kit is designed to insulate up to 10 3-foot by 5-foot windows. It's a simple and effective way to winterize your home. What we like? This kit features a crystal clear film that shrinks to seal out drafts in cold, helping to reduce your energy costs. It's easy to install, making it a great choice for anyone looking to quickly improve their home's insulation. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to insulate multiple windows and save on heating bills, you should consider this one. What people say. It works perfectly for drafty windows. Installation is beyond simple. Anyone can do this, and alone. I am typing this in front of old drafty the window and no drafts. This is great. I hate, when my hands get cold and already I can tell that won't be happening nearly as often as before. As for putting it up, I am not the most graceful, however, it took me maybe 15 to 30 minutes, I didn't actually time it, I just guesstimate, and it was ready to go. I was able to do it myself since my hubby was working. The directions make it seem easy, but the good news is that it definitely is. The roll of plastic was long enough for my window and I just cut off the excess on the right side and barely needed to shrink it with my blow dryer. I can still look out the window at my wildlife friends outside. It's not Pinterest worthy to look at closely, and I won't be able to open the window till spring. But that's not a complaint, just statement of fact. I can see outside and it keeps the cold out there where it belongs anyway, so this is a win for me. Number 4. Duck Brand 3 Window Premium Insulating Film Kit. This kit is incredibly easy to use. It comes with everything you need for a quick installation. You'll be enjoying the benefits in no time. Forget about complicated measurements. The film is designed to be trimmed to size after application. This simplifies the whole process. The kit includes a roll of premium shrink film and window kit tape. It has all the essentials to get you started right away. For best results, apply it to clean and dry surfaces. It works well on painted or finished wood, aluminum, or vinyl. Make sure the surface is ready. You'll only need a few common household items. Grab your scissors and a hair dryer, and you're all set. It's that simple. When the season changes, removal is just as easy. It comes off without leaving a mess. It's a convenient solution for any home. What we like? This kit includes a premium shrink film and tape, and the best part is, there's no measuring needed. You just apply, trim, and you're done. If you are looking for a hassle-free solution to insulate your windows without the fuss of measuring, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. If you follow the instructions, it is a piece of cake and a large window is finished within 15 minutes. Cleaning the window frame is one of the most important steps and should be done properly. Now the positives are that you really feel a difference when it is applied. I could no longer feel the cold coming through the window. Number 3. 3M 2170W 6 Outdoor Window Insulator Kit. This kit from 3M helps keep your home warm during the cold months. It's designed to keep cold drafts out and warm air in, helping you save on energy costs. The kit includes a clear heat shrink window film. This film is designed for outdoor use only and is easy to apply to your windows. It also comes with double-sided Scotch window film mounting tape. This tape makes it easy to attach the film to your windows securely. By using this kit, you can reduce your heating costs. It helps prevent frost buildup and condensation on your windows. Remember, this kit is designed for outdoor use. Make sure the outdoor temperature is above 50 degrees Fahrenheit 10 degrees Celsius when applying it. What we like. Designed specifically for outdoor use, this kit keeps cold drafts out and warm air in. It helps reduce heating costs and prevents frost buildup, making it ideal for harsh weather conditions. If you live in an area with cold winters and want to protect your windows from the elements, you should consider this one. What people say. Was a little surprised that these were not heat the shrink type that I've used before for interiors. The product was easy to install, took me about 15 minutes per screen, was easily able to stretch out wrinkles, and no problems unfolding peeling the plastic open. First, all 6 plastic sheets were intact after a New England winter. Second, plastic removal was beyond simple, the plastic peeled away from the tape easily. The tape needed a little encouragement but by and large came off the aluminum frame in one piece and with no sticky residue. Number 2. Frost King V96H Outdoor Window Kit. This is the Frost King V96H Outdoor Window Kit. It's designed to keep the cold out and the warmth in. This kit is perfect for protecting your windows. This product adds great value to your home. It's an affordable way to improve your home's energy efficiency. You'll see a difference in your heating bills. The Frost King V96H is built to last. It's made with durable materials that can withstand the elements. You can rely on it for years to come. This window kit is very easy to use. Installation is quick and simple, with no special tools required. You'll have it up and running in no time. This product is manufactured in China. It's made with quality materials and construction. You can trust its performance. What we like. This product is highly durable and very easy to use, offering great value for your money. It's designed to last and provide reliable insulation throughout the season. If you like a product that combines durability, ease of use, and affordability, this is the one for you. What people say. The kit is easy to install. The plastic is thick and clear, so it doesn't distort the view. It does a great job of insulating the windows. Number 1. Thermwell V83-3 Window Insulation Kit, 42 by 62 inches. Are you looking for a way to keep your home warm during the winter? This kit is designed to insulate your windows, helping to block out drafts and retain heat. It's an easy and effective solution for improving your home's energy efficiency. This heavy-duty film is made for indoor use, providing a durable barrier against the cold. It's designed to withstand the elements and keep your home comfortable. The film is easy to apply and provides a clear view. The kit comes with 3 packs, providing enough material to cover multiple windows. This allows you to insulate several rooms or your entire home. Each pack includes everything you need for easy installation. Each sheet of film measures 42 by 62 inches, making it suitable for a variety of window sizes. Measure your windows to ensure a proper fit. It's a great way to reduce energy costs. The film has a capacity of 1.5 milliliters, providing excellent insulation. It helps to create a tight seal, preventing air leaks. This feature will help you save money on your heating bills. The kit includes extra wide tape for a more secure seal. This ensures that the film stays in place and effectively insulates your windows. The tape is easy to apply and provides a strong bond. What we like. This indoor kit features a heavy-duty film and extra-wide tape for a more secure seal. It's designed to provide robust insulation, ensuring your home stays warm. If you have drafty windows and want a reliable, long-lasting solution, you should consider this one. What people say. Super easy to install and fast. Even easier when they size the plastic for me. And if you're wondering, yes, the extra thick plastic makes a difference. Very easy to use. Adhesion is good. Winter will tell how efficient it is. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.